Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review of these 106 Christmas ornaments that I got. I really love this set, guys. They have literally everything. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a closer look of everything that it has. So first we're gonna start off with the spheres. As you can see, guys, we have like 4 different types of spheres. I really like them. They're very high quality, guys, because they're made out of plastic, so they're very hard to break. So I really like how they feel. They're super shiny, very sparkly. I really love that. And then we have like a big box of a lot of spheres as well, but I just wanted to show you the 4 different kinds that it has. Then over here we have some like leaf style like ornaments. They're super cute, shiny, very pretty, and we also have like a box full of them as well. And then over here we have the snowflakes. They're super cute, very pretty, and then we have like the box full of snowflakes as well, so I really like that. And then we have the icicle type of ornaments. They're very pretty as well, very sparkly. So these are 2 different kinds, and we also have like a box full of them. Moving on to the smaller spheres, so we have like a red one, which is more like a what are they called, matte kind, and then we have like a sparkly kind that's more like goldish, and then we have a box full of them as well. Moving on to the acorns, we have like 3 different acorn styles here. So we have like a gold matte one, we had like a gold kind of like shiny one, not like super shiny but holographic, I guess, and then we have like a red sparkly one, so really very pretty. And then we have the star, which is shiny. It's very pretty. Obviously it's for like the top of your tree. Super gorgeous. I really like that. We have some like different leaves as well here. So we have like a gold one, and then we have a red one as well, and they both have like shiny in the middle. And we also have like a box full of them, so we have like 3 more. And then we have like the smaller spheres. I'm not sure if I already went over these, but these are like smaller spheres. But we also have like a red matte one, we have a gold one, and then we have like a red sparkly one, very pretty. And then we have like 2 different boxes full of them, as you can see. And these are like different types as well. I just wasn't able to like take them out yet. But yep. And then we have like the last acorns. They're also very glittery from the top, and then they're like matte from the bottom, and also like kind of like shiny, very pretty. And we have a box full of them. And my favorite part about this entire set, guys, is that you don't even have to get the hangers, because every single piece already comes with its string, so you can just hang them up the tree like that. But yeah, guys, I really love them. They're super pretty, very high quality. They won't break easily, and they're 106 pieces in total, so they're literally the only set that you'll need to decorate your Christmas tree, and I would definitely recommend them.